Sometimes I get to pinch myself in the morning just to make sure I'm living in reality. And again, here we go. This is the best opportunity, in my opinion, in Alpharetta right now. $1.89 million. As a matter of fact, this home started, what was the original list price on it, Jack? $2.2 million, and now it's aggressively priced down at $1.89. You can't even buy a townhome down the street at that cost, but this comes with 2 acres. And Courtney, when you get up here, I want you to kind of take a little pan shot around here, because this is just the front lawn, and wait till you see the back when we got the pool and everything. So come on in, let's check out this nice shindig in Alpharetta. And here's another cool thing. Built originally in 1987, just completely remodeled from head to toe this year. And now it is hot on the market, fresh, brand new, old style, new style, all together in one. Go ahead and do a little pan shot there. And look at that motorcade. I'm telling you, it is an impressive driveway that starts on one side of the home, and you drive all the way across. It is a 3+ car garage, because actually you could fit in easily 5 cars. So 3 doors, and then you've got extra space, and we'll take a look at that. So any car enthusiast out there, 5 cars you can fit in this massive garage. But everything, head to toe, I'm talking all of the flooring is brand new, new paint. Some of the sheetrock is new, new lighting fixtures throughout. Every single component in this home has been updated, upgraded to the max. Nothing standard on the finish in here. Jack, what are these, 6-inch wide plank floors? Something like that? 8 inches, even better than 6. What's better than 6? 8. 8 is definitely better than 6, right, Corey? Yep. So in the kitchen, you've got all this updated, huge island, massive kitchen, lots of cooking space, nice KitchenAid double oven. You know what's nice about these sizes? One, you've got 6 burners on here and a nice little cooktop. But these, you've got your larger oven, so if you got a lot of company, that's great. But if it's just you and somebody else, you need a small little dinner, a little quick oven fix there. That's how those work. But an awesome, awesome kitchen design. You've also got this nice, quiet KitchenAid dishwasher, brand new. Wonderful sink with the, what do they call that faucet? We're gonna call it the upside down J faucet today. It's the upside down J faucet. Everybody wants that. But nice tile backsplash, and the cabinets. These are, we were talking earlier, it's 10.5 foot ceilings in here. So very rare find out there with a home that was built in the 80s. And it looks like a ranch on the outside, but it is so much more than a ranch, because you've got an awesome upstairs that goes a long way. And let's not forget the little wine cooler over there. So for those of you that like to entertain, and yes, as you're sitting in the kitchen, go ahead and get a shot of the back windows there. You're looking right out there with an easy access door to the left to walk right out from the kitchen out to the back patio pool area. Keep in mind, this is over 2 acres in size. Jack, the listing agent, was telling me that it was actually 2 lots that they made into 1. And that really does make a lot of sense, because when you drive through the neighborhood, a lot of larger lots, but nothing. That's what I was just looking at going, wow, this is something special about this one. And 2 lots put together to make the 1. We're gonna come over here and check out the pantry. As the builder came in, they put in the wood shelves. Plenty of storage space. It was big without those, but with them, it just makes tons of storage space. And the wood floors go all the way through there. Now we're gonna take a look at this garage out here. You've got the 2 doors here for your main garage. Pop right on back out there to the back lawn. But the awesome thing is you got the 3rd garage over here, but there's so much more space. You could actually fit 2 other cars in here. So all this is the 3rd garage. So for you car enthusiasts, you got, or if you want to do some woodwork shop out here, you've got the outlets that are all arranged to have a counter height workshop. Tons of opportunity out here. Car is not included. Yeah, the floor in here is awesome. Very professional job. Hey Jack, you've worked with this builder numerous times, right? Excellent quality work. This, when I came through before, when you had the broker open, truly it was one of the nicest remodels that I've seen. I mean, the quality of the work that was done throughout. Got your Rainbird system over there to irrigate the lawn, because man, that would not be fun having to run your sprinkler around out there. Huge laundry room going down. Oh, you got the laundry room, a little scullery type action if you want. Heading down here to what could be a multi-use room. It could be a small bedroom, a home office. You do have a closet over here, so whatever you'd want to use this space for, use your imagination. Could be an addition to the scullery and make it today. You've even got a folding table here. Folding table for the laundry room. Full bath. Look at that shower in there. Very nice. Come around over here to the great room. And I think what he did on this fireplace is a really cool accent type piece. Wrap the fireplace with some of that new look. And the thing I like about this home is every single room you go into, the focus is back there on the back lawn and the pool area. And Jack was just saying that the pool has been completely refinished, and you were saying it's also under warranty too, right? And an extra 1-year warranty. Downstairs to the finished terrace level, a half bath. So remember this, you've got a full bath over there on that side, half bath right here leading down to the bedroom areas. Generous sized bedrooms, secondary bedrooms. A rare find from the 80s, 8-foot doors. So really you've got all of today wrapped in one very nice 1980s built home. Quality all the way through. The master bedroom walks right on out to the covered deck, out to the pool area. And you've got just an awesome private porch over here. New railings, new paint, new flooring. Everything is new out here on this porch. Well, that's such a nice view right there. And the bathroom, absolutely stellar. Jack, this is one of those where I go through and go, man, I feel like buying this thing at that price. It is ridiculous. But I'm gonna go back to this. Everything we've seen so far has the hardwood, the nice 8-inch wide plank floors, right? No carpet so far. Yep. Everything updated, everything upgraded, every single thing that you touch. 1.89 on 2 acres in Alpharetta/Milton. Do they have oh yes, I see them now. Little smell goods. You got like a little suite down here. Then you want to see a big basement. All this unfinished space still. So you got plenty of storage space or extra space if you want to finish off more. You got plenty of opportunity down here. My gosh. Tons of opportunity down here. So nice thing about what you got down here, if you wanted to have a separate area for your guests to come down, you can make this into like a little suite down here, because you do have a full bath off of it. Tons of extra space that you could expand. You could have a home gym down here, you name it. You can pretty much explore whatever opportunities you want to provide. Good job, Jack. I love this home. What's really nice out here is you've got the covered porch, so if you want to get in the shade, you can get in the shade and still hang out with everybody at the pool side. If you don't get nothing but sun, you got your pool deck out there, nice sized pool deck, so you can have plenty of seats. And I'm assuming, Jack, that the waterfall works. You got a nice little water feature over there that I can promise you, sitting here on the back little porch right off the master with that water trickling in there will be very relaxing. But all this space, 2 acres, everything you see behind you, to the black fence back there. You know what's amazing is if you took the home off of it, you're looking at a $1.25 million lot, at least. 2 acres of usable land in Alpharetta. Now that's a little closer to town, but this is not far out at all. My stepson is dad. I'm like, he needs to jump on this thing. That's where what is it, Innovations? They're on Milton Avenue. So hey, if you're looking for that something extra special, 2 acres, 5-car garage, completely renovated with the pool. I wanted to end this video out by the pool because at 1.89, you don't find a brand new renovated home with a ton of space in it on something like this. This is a treat, and it is priced very aggressively right now. So I would not expect it to last long. It just hit the market last week. So if this interests you, I would jump on it right now and get in touch with us so we can get you in here. Again, if you like what you're seeing, if you want to have more information, shoot us a message and subscribe below. And LFG, let's go.